Hello everyone. This is part 1 of many parts coming about my trip to Ladakh. I visited during July of 2025. Enjoy. Hello everyone. Welcome to Ladakh. Right now, we are on our way to Kargil and we have stopped at the Kargil War Memorial, which is in memory of the 1999 Kargil War. So we have entered. There is a MiG 21 on the left side, souvenir shop, the memories of the soldiers. This is the actual memorial of all of these soldiers who served in the war and made the ultimate sacrifice. There are flags. This is artillery and an even bigger artillery over there. Actually, this one was used in the Battle of PT 5140, Gun Hill. These are the details of the soldiers who fought using this. So we have just left Kargil after a stopover for acclimatization. We are en route to Leh, and right now we have arrived at this monastery. So this is the Mulbek Monastery. It is located on the way to Leh. This is the prayer bell, and behind this is actually, from here you can see the giant Buddha statue. So this is the Maitreya Buddha statue, which is also known as the Buddha statue of the future. It is said to be built during the 1st century. Here we have the idol. These are the offerings for the idol. These are the praying instruments or the ritual instruments. There's a donation box also. These are all of the paintings which were made during the time this was built. So we have reached Namkila Pass. You can see the prayer flags waving along with the wind. Our next stop will be Fotula Pass. So to get to Leh from Kargil, you have to cross through Namkila Pass and Fotula Pass, which is the National Highway 1. So we started from Srinagar, came to Sonamarg, went through Jorjila Pass, stopped at the War Memorial here near Dras. We stopped in Kargil, and right now we are here. So we are just a little bit ahead of Fotula Pass, and I've just stopped here to show you how the road is just curving around in this pass. In the distance there are also some snow-capped peaks. So right now we have arrived at Lamayuru Monastery, which is located in the Lamayuru village. Photography is not allowed inside, so I'll just show you the outside. So you can see the various rock formation here. So now we have arrived at the Likir Monastery. This is actually bigger than the previous two monasteries we had visited. It sits at an extremely high altitude, about like 3,600 meters above sea level. We are close to Leh now. We are going to go to the Magnetic Hill, and on the way you can see the mixture of two rivers, the Zanskar and the Indus. can see there in the center the division of them. Alright, so that is it for this video. Currently, we have reached Leh and we are acclimatizing for 2 days as it is compulsory. So, make sure to stay tuned for the next part and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next part.